Today I'm going to go through a new step called whisk, or whisks if you want. In line dance we often refer to it as a Samba whisk or Samba Whisks, as it is a step that comes from Samba. Okay, the steps by itself is not that hard. I'm going to show you. I'll start with a weight on my right. I'm going to do a whisk to my left. Then step left to the left, ball on right, and step weight back on left. One more time. So it's step, ball, step. And to the right, step, ball, step. So you see, it's, the steps by itself is not that hard. But as you might know, in Samba, you have a Samba rhythm. It's bam, ba bam, bam, ba bam. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and so on. So we're going to try to hit that rhythm with the steps. So you have the first step on 1, and the ball step, and 2 on the last step on left. Okay, so if you do it with the counting to the left, 7, 8, so it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, so that's the Samba rhythm. And then, of course, in the Samba you use a lot of hip action. So we're going to try to add the hips as well. There's a lot of things going on there if you really want to try to get it right. When you step to the left with the foot, try to do the anti-clockwise motion with your hip. That means if you step to the left, you start with hips forward and then going back anti-clockwise. So it's around anti-clockwise. When you step ball on the right, you do the hips from forward to back again, but then it's clockwise. So it's forward and back. And then when you step back on left, it's anti-clockwise again, left. Yeah. One more time. 7, 8. So it's anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Same, but all the way around. Then it's first clockwise if you do the right. So it's clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Yeah. So it's round, 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 round. And if you try to do it to the rhythm as well, 7, 8. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah. Try to get the hips going as well. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to mention is if you want to add some arms as well, if you want. Then when you go to left, it's a left arm. Go to left arm going out. The right stays or the other way. Arm is out. The other is towards the body. Yeah. So it's bam, 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 dun, 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 dun. So the arm going out is the same direction as you're going and do the whisks. So if you do it to left, it's a left arm going out. If you do it to the right, it's a right arm going out. Yeah? Okay. So let's try it, everything together. Fingers crossed. 7, 8. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2. Yeah. And everything's trying to get everything together. People spend their whole life just learning to do Samba. And of course in line dance we are supposed to do everything. So that's the way it is. Okay, one last time. Try to do it towards the camera, as you can see from that direction as well. So, fingers crossed. 7, 8. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So yeah. So try to just train a lot. Try to get it as fluent as possible. And if you really want to learn the Samba, you can join a Samba class. So that would be fun as well. But of course, line dance is the best. But in the second place, it might be Samba. I don't know. Good luck.